Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu's Traders Corner. In this RSI indicator part 3 series, we'll be discussing about hidden divergence. In this video, we'll be discussing in 4 sections. The first one will be introduction, followed by we'll be discussing what is hidden divergence, then how we will be using it in trading, and followed by that back-tested results. So before we go into hidden divergence, I would like to request you guys to kindly have a look of my RSI part 1 and part 2 series, where I have explained about what is RSI and how to use it and how not to use it, and also about classic divergence. And also I would like to request you guys to kindly like and subscribe my channel and do enable the notification icon. So in case if I come up with new videos and strategies, it will be notified to you and it will be very much helpful for you. Okay, let's go into the topic about hidden divergence. The concept of hidden divergence is highly valuable in the financial market for the traders who wish to identify possible trend continuation and how to catch the momentum trades. So what exactly is hidden divergence? Well, it is a phenomenon that occurs when the price of an asset moves in a direction and the relative strength moves in the opposite direction. And this hidden divergence is nothing but a trend continuation pattern, which means hidden divergence occurs following a classic divergence. So a trend continuation pattern or the hidden divergence can be identified by comparing the direction of a script and also the direction of an RSI indicator in the candlestick chart. So I have shared the Kotak Mahindra Bank chart below. Kindly have a look of it for understanding. So here what we see here is the candles or the prices making from low to high, high to low, then again it is making higher high, and followed by that it is making a higher low. But whereas if we see in the RSI indicator, it is continuously making higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And if you see finally the candle where it has formed the higher low, you can see in the chart I have mentioned higher low. At that particular point the RSI has made a lower low. The RSI makes lower low where the candlestick made a higher low. Okay, so this is a clear indication that this is a hidden divergence. And also you can see in the chart following the hidden divergence has happened, how the price has moved up further higher. So to explain in detail, in an uptrend the candlestick chart, the script will be forming higher high, higher low, higher high, and finally higher low. And in case of an RSI indicator, it will be forming lower low where the candle has formed the higher low. So it is the sign of buyers or the bulls are gaining momentum, and there is a high probable chance for the trend to continue in the direction of the trend. So the following examples I have explained about hidden bearish divergence. So here you can see the price is making from the high point, it has made a low, and it has made a lower high, and freshly it has made a lower low. So at that point what you see is the trend is already down. Okay, so here the trend is not starting, already it is a downtrend, and we need to know where the retracement has got over. So this hidden divergence indicates or give an idea where the retracement is over and it will continue in the direction of a trend. So in this, the point where the candlestick has made lower high and again it came down, the next point the candle did not freshly make a higher high. Okay, so at that point you can see in the RSI chart, RSI has made an higher high. Okay, so this is a clear divergence between the candlestick and the RSI indicator. Okay, in the RSI indicator it has made a higher high, but in a candlestick it has failed to make an higher high. So this is a clear indication the trend continuation is going to happen. So as I have said in previous videos also, to avoid getting trapped in a wrong area, it is always best to look for a divergence at a major supply demand zone, or a major support or resistance, or major Fibonacci levels. So market is supreme, and this level of edge can be achieved only by means of practice and by having proper knowledge. So I would like to request you guys to keep on practicing, do maximum backtest, and if you are happy with this setup, do backtesting like back to 3 months, 6 months, and at the same time try to do backtest in real market also. I'll be showing few more examples in the following charts, and that can give you a more idea. So this one is nothing but hidden bullish divergence. The same thing what I have said before, RSI has made a lower low, but if you see in the candlestick chart, it has made a higher low. And see what has happened after the hidden divergence has formed, how the price has went, and just before that see how much the price has went. Classic divergence is nothing but a trend reversal, but whereas an hidden divergence is a trend continuation pattern. So once if you get into the rally, the reward which you may achieve, it will be much higher, and the standard default target will be 1:2 normally in any type of trade. Apart from that, if you have got into a correct trend, instead of 1:2, there is a high probable chance for you to get 1:15, 1:10, 1:20 risk reward and all. So this is the highlight of hidden divergence. Okay, so as I have said already, practice only makes perfect. So keep practicing, do maximum backtest, go to 3 months and 6 months. Once if you are convinced, try to watch the same in live market, and following by that, take all your trades with conviction. Only if you are confident with any kind of trade, go for any trade. If not, if you even with 1% doubt, do not get into any trade and don't lose your hard-earned money. Okay, so with this conclusion, I'll be ending my RSI hidden divergence. And apart from whatever the 3 parts which I have explained, I will come up with one more additional strong setup that will give more confirmation when a classic divergence or when a hidden divergence happen. Along with this, additional confirmation is that if you take with that trade setup, your winning ratio will be more than 80 to 90%. So stay tuned guys, and as I said before, kindly like and subscribe. So when I come up with the part 4, it will get notified to you, and for sure it will increase your winning ratio, and you can convert your losses into profits. Or else if you are following this from the beginning, you can maintain your profits continuously and you can make some good money. Ultimately, we are here to make some good money. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.